Hello friends, in the world of office work, deleting blank rows and rows with unwanted values like 0 can be a hurdle. But fear not, in this video I will show you how to swiftly remove these obstacles in Excel, allowing you to work with a clean and organized dataset effortlessly. So let's get started on quickly deleting those blank rows and rows with 0 values in Excel. To delete blank rows, first select all the dataset, then press Ctrl plus G button and click on Special. Here select blanks and click on OK. As you do this, all the blank rows will be highlighted. Now just press Ctrl plus minus button. As you can see, all the blank rows is deleted now. Now to delete specific rows, like I want to delete all rows with 0 value. So for this, first select the column on which this value lies. Now press Ctrl plus F button. Find and replace menu will open. Here type 0 and click on find all. If you expand this sheet, you will see that it finds all the cells with 0 entries. First entry is already selected. Now scroll down and by holding shift button click on the last entry. All cells with 0 entries will be selected. Now I don't want to delete this value, so deselect it by holding Ctrl button and click on it. Now click on close and lastly press Ctrl plus minus button. I hope you liked today's video, and if you want to see more content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.